called it his #1 priority. President Biden is now on the verge of signing a nearly $2 trillion coronavirus economic relief bill. Hello again, I'm Lynn Bowie.
And I'm Tim Williams. Congress is set to pass the package in the next few hours. It is the final step before it goes to the president's desk.
Skylar Henry reports for WJZ from Washington, D.C.
The House will be in order.
A final vote on President Biden's $1.9 trillion coronavirus relief package is expected in the House soon.
A once-in-a-lifetime pandemic requires bold investment, and that is what the American Rescue Plan is.
The so-called relief bill will end up costing every hard-working taxpayer in America more than $5,000 each.
Included in the bill is an extension of federal unemployment benefits at $300 a week.
An excuse to expand the welfare state and pay people not to work.
Money to help schools reopen, increase vaccine distribution, and support for state and local governments. It also includes a tax credit of up to $3,600 per child.
This is a good plan that provides direct assistance to the people of this country that need it.
And there will be a new round of stimulus checks. $1,400 for individuals making $75,000 a year or less, and $2,800 for couples making less than $150,000. Those will start going out this month. President Biden will be able to sign the bill into law this week as the nation marks the one-year anniversary of the global pandemic and shutdowns across the country.
Our focus now is on the address the president will be delivering on Thursday night during his first primetime address. He'll talk about COVID, what we've been through as a country, and what the path forward looks like.
The immediate focus is on increasing vaccine distribution to reach as many people as possible.
Today, we're averaging above 2 million shots per day.
The Biden administration is purchasing 100 million more doses of the Johnson & Johnson single-shot vaccine. Skylar Henry, CBS News, Capitol Hill.
900 more people in Maryland tested positive for the coronavirus, and 9 more people are now hospitalized with the infection. The positivity rate increased, and 14 more people have died. Governor Hogan is easing some restrictions starting on Friday. There will be no more capacity limits on indoor and outdoor dining, but you must be seated and cannot crowd around the bars. All capacity limits are being lifted on retail shops, as well as churches, gyms, personal services, and indoor recreation. Masks remain mandatory. The governor says large outdoor venues may expand to 50% capacity. That includes sporting venues, but it's unclear how many people will be allowed at Camden Yards. The Baltimore Orioles released a statement saying they are continuing to work with city, state, and the MLB to figure out plans to reopen safely. The Biden administration will purchase 100 million doses of Johnson & Johnson's coronavirus vaccine. That's according to 2 senior administration officials. The president is expected to announce it later today with the heads of Johnson & Johnson and Merck. They're meeting in Washington, D.C. after the White House canceled a trip to Baltimore. The original plan was for them to tour the Emergent Biosolutions lab in Baltimore.
Tomorrow marks 1 year since the World Health Organization declared the coronavirus outbreak a pandemic. Now, the shutdowns we saw last year had a massive impact on the economy. CoreSite research found more than 8,700 stores closed in 2020 and projects 10,000 more will close this year. The unemployment rate hit 14.7% last April, eventually dropping to 6.2% last month. However, not all retailers are struggling. Research shows discount operations, including dollar stores, opened almost 1,700 new locations last year.